Want to change how your iPhone home screen looks? The iOS 15 interface makes it a lot easier for you to do so. There's no need to worry about messing up the home screen interface because Apple also integrates a dedicated command to restore the default home screen layout. With the constant updates and revisions rolled out by Apple, new iOS devices are now a lot easier to customize even by novice users. In this video, we will show you how to reset the home screen layout on your iPhone 13. To begin, launch the Settings app. Scroll down or up to view more items and then, tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. You may read the information on the screen if you want. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen. Tap Reset Home Screen Layout. Tap Reset Home Screen. This will immediately bring your home screen back to default settings. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go back to the home screen. As you can see, the home screen layout is brought back to the factory default. So you can now customize it to fit your needs. In previous models, the default home screen layout does not include widgets, but with iPhone 13 that natively runs on iOS 15, the home screen has two widgets, namely, Weather and Calendar. We hope that this guide can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.